Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Bristol Crypto. Craig here on Wednesday the 3rd of March 2021, and Bitcoin has finally rebounded and hit 51k as short-term bull case strengthens amid the weakening dollar. So let's have a quick look at this, guys, to open this episode. Bitcoin rallies above 51k as the dollar stagnates, showing signs of a short-term top. So this could be the real breakout, guys. We've been hoping for to bounce back off of those £42,000 corrections, or dollars even. US dollar index, DXY, is showing signs of a short-term top as the price of Bitcoin demonstrates signals of a short-term rally. There is a narrative that the price of Bitcoin often coincides with a drop in the value of the dollar. Since stores of value like gold and Bitcoin are priced against the dollar, theoretically, a downtrend in the DXY would likely have a positive impact on the price of Bitcoin. So let's have a quick look down here, guys, shall we? Back above 50,000, guys, here. I'll show you this chart in a second. Above 51,600, there's a little resistance until 56. So we could go straight up to 56k now, guys, from here. Hence, breaking past this level is critical to secure upside momentum in the short term. Bitcoin Jack, a pseudonymous trader who predicted the 3,600 bottom in March 2020, said, "Considering it's very likely to see a 1.9 trillion stimulus package approved in the next 2 weeks, my best guess, the dollar is topping out here. Could be wrong, but structure looks very similar to previous consolidation as well." Here we go, guys. So, was 42.9 the local bottom? Now, this guy here, John Cho, was expecting a drop to around 40 to 41. Bitcoin didn't drop that low, as we all know, but it declined to sub 43, 42 something, almost completing a 30% drop from its local high. So as of now, the drop of under 43k seems to have been the local bottom. Either way, glad the bulls are back in control, guys. So it's looking good. And they are calling the next target from here 60. I think it could be a bit more than this. Let's have a look. On the charts here, guys. So we did wick outs earlier today up towards 50, 52 and a bit. We've suddenly come down now just over the 50,000 mark. I think now we could see some movements going up towards next couple of weeks, maybe even less, 60, 65, 70k and upwards, guys. You know, once we're in price discovery, who knows? It's hard to predict once you hit a price discovery because you haven't really got a lot to go on. So let's keep our eye on this one and see how it goes, guys. I'm predicting an upward trend from here. And some more bullish news, guys, as well. CBOE files for approval to list the first US Bitcoin ETF. More bullish news, guys, here. Basically, ETF is good news for the whole of the crypto scene as it brings exposure to a whole new sector, brings it onto the stock market. So it's absolutely brilliant, guys. Great news. A whole new audience it captures. ETFs are only going to be good, I think, for the industry. So the CBO filed a request with the SEC on Monday to list shares of VanEck Bitcoin ETF. The attempt built... Try again. The attempt builds on VanEck's earlier S1 filing from December the 30th. If approved, the Bitcoin ETF will be CBOE's first crypto product since it halted offering Bitcoin futures in February of 2019, over 2 years ago. So, plenty of other people as well, guys, and projects offering ETFs on their exchanges now. So, excellent news for Bitcoin. The more exposure we can get, the better, as far as I'm concerned. So there you go, a bit of news there, guys. Right, let's have a look at our coin market cap. Bitcoin dominance, 61%. Looks like coin market cap have also added F dominances now, which is a nice little touch as well, guys, there. I don't know, is that a new feature on coin market cap, or is it me? I've never noticed the Ethereum up there before, so I've got Bitcoin at 61, Ethereum approaching 12% dominance now. Nice to know, always good. Market cap, it's not changing much at the moment. So here you see Bitcoin, guys, over 50,000 again for the first time in a while. Ethereum still being a bit stubborn. Ethereum, there are a lot of competition for Ethereum now, aren't there? With this, I don't know how much longer these fees can go on with layer 1. I believe we seriously need a layer 2 solution as soon as possible, guys. I personally like Zilliqa. I'm a great fan of the Zilliqa project, what they're trying to bring to the blockchain and the ecosystem. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Zilliqa, but there are so many other other projects, if you want to call it, competitors out there that are really going to run Ethereum, I feel, this year for the for this sharding and scaling solutions. The fees are astronomical at the moment. I can't see how Ethereum is going to, I was going to succeed without a good layer 2 coming out, and 2.0 is still a while off, isn't it? So let's see what happens there, guys. But Cardano, Cardano is a competitor as well. A lot of people, I feel, projects could look at Cardano as an alternative to the Ethereum ERC20. It's a possible thing. It's just the thing that worries me is, will people want to rebuild their whole ecosystem on the other chain, move it across? So, a lot may still stick with Ethereum, but we'll see what happens, guys. So we're doing okay. It's picking up, guys. The market's looking a little greener at the moment. Litecoin's had some news recently as well, which has knocked the price up by a little bit as well. I'll cover that as well soon, guys, on that one. So let's have a quick look on Litecoin news, guys, that I've heard about, shall we, quickly, while we're here? And there is some promising news, I promise you, if I can just find it a second. Some news on there, guys, about NFT brands as well. Right. There you go, guys, just a bit of news I wanted to bring to your attention here. Okay, so Litecoin is trading at an 1,800% premium via Grayscale's Litecoin Trust. But why? Investors looking to gain Litecoin exposure using traditional equities are willing to pay a premium of more than 1,800% to buy it via Grayscale Litecoin Trust. So this is good news for Litecoin. I haven't really mentioned Litecoin before, so I'm not really a big fan of the project. It hasn't really done a lot recently. But shares in Grayscale Investments, Grayscale Litecoin Trust, or LTCN, have been trading at a whopping 1,800% premium of the market rate of their underlying asset, Litecoin, $319 per Litecoin, due to investors' inability to purchase shares directly from Grayscale Investments, whose funds are aimed exclusively at accredited investors. So basically, what they're saying is it costs $319 to buy a share in Grayscale's Litecoin Trust. However, its LTC holdings per share are currently worth just $16.42. That means it's almost 20 times more expensive to buy Litecoin via the trust and regular spot exchanges. Traded as high as nearly $500 in November of last year, nearly 40% above Litecoin's highest closing price in December of 2017. So, make of what you will, guys. Is this good or bad for Litecoin? It's not a cheap way of doing it via Grayscale, clearly. 80% of new Litecoins are being mined during this period here as well. So, in the last month, Grayscale has actually purchased over 174,000 Litecoin. This is approximately 80% of all Litecoin mined last month. They're getting their doses worth, guys, aren't they? So have a look through this anyway. Check out Litecoin, guys. This could be a bit of a price bumper here, couldn't it? Send it. So guys, that's it for today. I'm doing another video later on a little bit of a micro cap gem that I've got my eye on at the moment, and I will be telling you more about that in tonight's video later on today, guys. As I always say, guys, there is no reason, no excuse now not to be buying crypto. It's a no-brainer, guys. This is the year. 2021 is the year. I can't see us going into 2022 now, to be honest with you, with this bull run. We are in the middle of this run. We are in full swing now. I'm now looking for Bitcoin to move onwards and upwards and break through that 60,000 barrier, moving on to 70 possibly. Then a bit of a side movement, and I believe then alt season is going to be in full swing. Then we are going to see the alts fly, guys. So thanks for watching the video. Stack that crypto. Thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig. Back later with a little gem pick for you. Take it easy, guys. Hope you're all well. See you later. Bristol Crypto Craig checking out. Peace out.